All right, guys, here we go. We got the Operation Doomsday rocket, MF Doom, going on an F20-4 loud motor, composite motor, and we were going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, my Rocks 321 here. Today we are flying the Operation Doomsday rocket, MF Doom, that album right there. It says Doom right there, one of his logos right there. Going on the F20-4. This is a converted Big Red Max, or their Big Max, or whatever it was called. That's what this is. We're going to be sending this on an F20-4, guys. Be sure to check all the links below, sdsrockets.com. Put in discount code IN_321. Get yourself one of these. It's the Red Max actually, but you know what I'm saying, get all kind of stuff on SD's website using that discount code. It's a one-time use, so be sure to fill your cart up with everything you want, and then go on and get that discount, single use. All right, let's check it out. All right, guys, here we go. We got the Operation Doomsday rocket, MF Doom, going on an F20-4 loud motor, composite motor, and we were going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, nice. 4-second delay. There's that pop. Parachute is out. Way up there, nice. Back here. Over here. Nice flight. F20-4 motors roaring off the pad. Real sounding rocket motor effect. The smoke, all of that. Nice. Nice flight. I will take it. I will take it. That was a perfect, nice launch. Rest in peace to the MF Doom. And it just landed. Let me go get him. That is cool, guys. Love it. Let's go recover this guy.
Are you ready?
So here we go. Approaching. Let's check this out. I see all 3 fins are there. See, my altimeter is still in its pack. Had altimeter running in that little pack right there. Cool. Motor there. Love that flight. Love that motor. Nothing like a composite motor. Nothing like it. I mean, the black powders are nice, but man, when those composites go, you see my cone hit pretty hard right here. Look at that. That's getting, yeah. But he's a flyer though. All of my rockets, if I'm flying them, I ain't trying to protect them. Look at this stuff you you got to land on sometimes. But excellent. That was a nice one there. Boosted. That was a boost. I will take it. Operation Doomsday, that album right there. Classic record. Groundbreaking. Underground. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. My Rocks 321 here. We'll talk about it. Stay tuned. Okay, welcome to the debrief. Today you saw the legendary MF Doom rocket flying called Operation Doomsday. Like that right there, it's the album cover. There's another album cover, Doom wearing a gladiator mask, his signature mask that he wore all throughout his career. So yeah, this is a rocket I made as a tribute rocket. Flew it today on a Aerotech F20-4. Great motor, one of my favorite motors. Nice. Cannot complain. F20-4W, White Lightning. Leaped off the pad loud. What more can you ask? Great flight. flew up, it came down, everything's in good order. Got a little, the cone, I'm looking at some hits it's taken, so right there on the cone. I think it took a little hit on this one, hit the ground kind of hard. I'm not sure how and why, but did not even have a crack there, I believe. But yeah, other than that, it's a flyer, it's a great rocket. Great, great, great. Not much more to say. Get yourself one. It's the Red Max, basically. It's the Red Max, the big version. If you can find yourself, get one. I had a break a long time ago there, but it's all good. Yeah, if you can find a Red Max in this size, get yourself one. It's 29 millimeter, big motors. It is a great, great flyer. And you can get them over at Estes. Shop estesrockets.com. Discount code IN_321. Use that discount. It's a one-time use, so load up your cart, take advantage of the discount. Don't hesitate. You never know when it's going to come to an end. Tell them I sent you. Tell them AutoRocks321 sent you, and how good of a job I'm doing. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up right here. Hey, guys, just returning back to you really quick. I forgot to read off the altimeter for that launch you just saw. So here we go. Got my Jolly Logic altimeter 2 here. We're going to go and read this off right quick. So as for the altitude, it went 672 feet. Traveled 129 miles per hour. So those are the main things. Yeah. 2.19 seconds of thrust. And 7.7 G's. It pulls 7.7 G's. So those are the main ones. And you got 2.7 G's average acceleration. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I forgot to read that. I just wanted to get that back in there real quick. So there we have it. 3, 2, 1. Stay tuned.